Greetings from Istanbul. First of all, I would like to thank Arkham's EBBS group for arranging such a lovely event in which we had a chance to meet different universities. So, such events are like heaven for consultants because it's really easy to find different universities under one roof. So, it's very useful for us to know about them, to know about their programs. Plus, it's an honor for me to represent Pakistan here, and I am from Go Abroad Education Consultants, which are settled in Lahore and Istanbul. So I would also like to thank the EBBS for arranging this event, especially in Istanbul, because it's a lovely tourist attraction. And apart from this event, we do have a lot of other activities for the enjoyment as well. What I would like to mention is that since in Pakistan the education and these kind of problems are still not resolved, so I hope that consultants who are here will take back a lot of good options and provide with a number of different facilities and options to the students in Pakistan. Lastly, I would like to thank again the EBBS group, and I hope that in future they keep organizing such events in which we have, especially the consultants, get a lot of opportunities. We get to know a lot of good universities. We get to know different options which we can bring back to our country and then provide to our students in Pakistan. Thank you and good luck, and see you again in Istanbul.